Hello, welcome to Flower Juice. My name's John McDonald and today we're going to look at a very simple gift idea. So what could be simpler than a single red rose? Now I've got this beautiful red rose that we're going to use, and the first thing I'm going to do is basically cut it at an angle and we're going to put it in a tube. So what I've done is I've just taken off any thorns that are on the stem, and the easiest way to do that is just with your fingers actually. If you push them sideways you can break them off. You can use a knife. There is a danger that you might cut yourself, B, you might actually cut right through the rose. So use a knife, but it does cause a little bit more damage and it's a little less controlled. So I tend to find that just using my fingers is the best idea. So we've got our beautiful rose. I want to use a bit of a backing to it as well. So normally we would use like a filler like gypsophila or something, but actually I want to use a bit of this pampas grass because I think it's a little bit current and it's a little bit different, a little bit interesting. So let's add that. And I do normally put a leaf or something with it. So what I thought we would do is use a Strelitzia and the Strelitzias are really good for just being able to trim and shape, and they'll dry as well, so we can sculpt our Strelitzia with a pair of scissors. Now, over the years, I've probably ruined plenty of pairs of scissors by just picking up the first pair that comes to hand. So now I have this pair that I have as my sharp pair, and I do try and make an effort to just not use them for anything stupid. So it's really just for paper, for ribbon, or for something like this where I really need a good sharp edge. So that is our little highlight. And when we make a little highlight like this, what we're really doing is we're creating something that adds interest. It's like adding a brooch or adding a badge onto a design. I think we could go a little bit deeper on this. I'm a little bit wary of this inner stem because it's the bit that might as you're cutting through it, you might end up just going right through. So this is a great gift, really just any time of the year, but Valentine's springs to mind. And I'm just going to take off a couple of these leaves. So what we need to do is we need to just see how things are going to sit. I don't want this to disappear. The tube is the thing that is getting in the way for holding these stems. Yeah, that's good. Now, I'm just going to use a little bit of paper covered wire, just because I've got it handy. The paper covered wire is excellent for holding things. It has a good grip. So that is really our little gift, and now we just need to wrap it. So I just wanted to keep this really natural. I think this is natural, the rose is natural. So let's just use some paper. Now there's lots of ways to wrap roses. There's a real trend nowadays to get away from cellophane, which is really good. So actually having more of a natural way to wrap is nicer. So folding it into really like a triangle like that is quite good because it actually, you can still see the flower and it gives support to the back of what you are presenting. So that is our little rose. And I think we just want another bit of paper. I know there is with the idea of kind of like not over wrapping things and saving on cellophane, saving on, you know, the environment, that's really good. But this is a gift, so this should look nice. It should be exciting to get. It shouldn't just be about saving the planet, it should be about giving it a little bit of visual impact as well. So this one is really just to hide our stems down here. And I'm just going to use some string to finish this off. Now you could wrap it with different things. I'm just going to leave these as like long ties actually, because I think that's quite interesting. So let's do that. Do a double knot on these. That's kind of cute. And then we can just finish off with a bow. So for what I've got here is I've got a little bit of raffia. Again, continuing with that natural look. And we can just tie that here. So essentially we've got a couple of nice tails. We've hidden the stems, so we've hidden that tube, and we've got a little bit of interest that you're looking in with this kind of double collar effect. Is quite cute. So there we go. We have a single red rose, perfect for presentation. This is a simple gift. It doesn't need to be fancy in any way, shape or form. It is what it is, it's a single flower, but we've really taken it up a level. Rather than just a plain cone wrap, we've added a little touch and a little bit of material just for it to lie against. And this is the perfect simple gift. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. We've got new videos every week. We'd love you to join us for our next design. We try and mix them so that they really go in different directions. But if you are feeling inspired by today's video, then why not have a look at the video that we've listed in our description for this one. It's for 6 red roses, so it really shows you how to create a hand-tied bouquet showcasing 6 red roses, which is quite a classic gift idea as well. So maybe you don't want to just go for the single red rose, you want to go a little bit more fancy. The 6 red rose bouquet or even a 12 red rose bouquet is a really good option as well. So thank you for watching. We hope you join us for the next one, and until then, take care.